Alright, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys what the cutout, the sound that it makes when you do that to a BMW 528i. There's not many videos out there that to show you the sound that it provides from it. So as you can see, I just got the installed the cutout towards the back end of it. It's an electric one, so I can close it and open it whenever I want to, and it's kind of cool, the fact that if you want if you want the sound to be there, just leave it open, and if you want to close it, and once you close it, it goes back to factory sound, so just like it's very quiet. So that's definitely a plus for having one of these. If you want them open, you have the sound, and if you long trips, I guess that can get kind of annoying. So you can always close it, and just be back to stock, like it came out of the dealership. So this next little clip that I got, it's from my cousin over here that has a BMW M5, and his is like fully tricked out. He's done a lot to it, and this is what I think this is a sound that I couldn't get used to, and it's like super loud. So definitely check your volume on your phone or your headphones or whatever you have on. Just make sure you kind of lower it down a little bit, because the sound is just crazy on it. So anyways, man, thank you just so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.